Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Alright, before we start our lesson today, let's recite the Basmalah together. Alright, before we start, I will check your attendance sheet. Is anyone absent today? Alright, good. So, do you still remember what is the previous lesson? Alright, good. So today, learning objective is to able to calculate the fraction and express the measurement numbers using natural numbers with the correct units. And also strengthening the English skill by practicing numbers, discussing mathematical concepts, developing the comprehension, and giving answer in English. Do you understand?
Yes.
Alright, so the first I will give you the mathematical vocabulary. Alright, maybe someone of you can read this vocabulary?
Me. Convert the change value from one unit to another. And calculation, fraction, equation, numerator, and denominator.
Alright, the next big Napa. Can you read this vocabulary?
Measurement number, divide, multiply, unit, and apply. To use knowledge in practical expression.
Okay, thank you. So today's lesson is we will learn about a fraction. So before we move to our lesson, I will give you one question. Please listen it well. Okay? If 2 per 3 of a meter is equal to 66 centimeter, how do we find 1 per 3 of a meter? 33?
Yes.
Alright. Good. You have a good answer. Alright, now I have some example from this material. Please pay attention to me. Alright, so I have some example from this material. I need the formulation. The formulation is A per B of C equals C per B multiple with A. The note A is numerator and B stands for denominator and C stands for the whole number. And the example, the first 2 per 5 of 150 kilograms is equals. First, we gotta divide this one, the C, the whole number. 150 is divided with 5. It's equals 50 and 50 kilogram. And then if we have the result from this, we multiply the result with this numerator. Understand? So 50 kilogram multiplied with 2 is equals 100 kilogram.
Okay, Miss.
And the last 2 per 3 of 5 hours. First, what we gonna do is convert hours to minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So multiply 5 with 60, and it's equal 300. And then we change this number to 2 per 3 of 300 is 300. I mean this is divide. 300 divided into 3 is 100. And 100 is multiplied with 2 is 100 minutes. So the equals from 2 per 3 of 5 hours is 200 minutes. So this is the example of real life application of the fraction. The first we can use the fraction in cooking, like maybe cooking cake or something. Like when we use part 3 of a cup of sugar or measurement, like the recipe, and then time management. The example is spending 2 per 3 of your study time on mathematics. Alright, so now after the explanation, I will divide you into small group. One group is consists of 3 person. I think this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so I have the worksheet that you may discuss with your group. And then after you finish your discussion, you might present your answer in front of us. Understand?
Understand.
I will give you 20 minutes. Is it enough?
Easy.
Is there any difficulties?
No.
Alright, so the time is up. First group, please come forward and write your answer. Yes, and also explain to your friend. Yeah, just
Explain. Okay, so from this question, okay, so here the equal number 20 divide 5 from here, and then the result is 4, and then 4 multiple 2 from here, okay, and the result is 8. So from this question, the result is 8.
Alright. So group 2, please come forward and write the answer number 2. Group 2, please come forward.
Me. Okay, so I will explain the number 2. So 3 per 5 of 16. So the 16 divide with 4, then equals 4, then 4 multiple with 3 equal 12.
Okay. Alright, so if you have the wrong answer, you might correct it to the right answer. And then, so now, before we going through the last material, please write the important notes from this material. Have you done?
Yes.
So what lesson we learned today? Perfect? Alright. So to check your understanding, how far you understand this material, I will give you some homework that will read you by independently. And this homework will be submitted in the next meeting. Understand?
Yes.
Alright, so for the next meeting, we will learn about Pythagoras. So you might learn or collect the information about the material. So we will discuss together in the next class. Understand? Alright, so our time is over. Thank you for your attention. So let's close this lesson today by reciting Hamdulillah together.